How to use adjustment layers. To begin, I added 4 videos to my timeline and I want to apply an effect to all of them. Go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop Gaussian blur effect into all your videos. Now select videos one by one and go to Effect Controls panel and change blurriness to a value that you want. This is not a good way of applying effect. The better way of doing this is to use an adjustment layer. First, right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag adjustment layer above your clips and timeline, and change its length so it is the length that you want. Go to Effects panel and drag and drop Gaussian blur effect into your adjustment layer. With adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls panel and change the blurriness to a value you want. Now all your clips are blurred. As you can see, using an adjustment layer is very efficient and time-saving. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.